Yes, good day, everyone. Welcome to yet another practical section of our AI 360 Studio. And today we'll be focusing on one of the most powerful in the AI 360 Studio app. That is Vote Genius app. Yes, the digital Vote Genius app. It is a cloud-based storage service that allows users to store files online, synchronize them across devices, and share them with others. As many of you know, managing digital assets can actually become overwhelming, especially when dealing with media files, project documents, client resources, and training materials spread across multiple platforms. Today, we are exploring a solution designed to address exactly that challenge. And our AI 360 Studio Digital Vote Genius app gives you a smarter, more efficient way to take control of your digital world. So let us go straight into our AI 360 Studio app. And as you can see, this is the AI 360 Studio dashboard with over 50 plus apps embedded inside. Yes, over 50 plus app embedded inside. So quickly, we come to our search bar here. Instead of scrolling down to search for it, we type on digital and voting. Immediately the icon pops up. You double click on it or you click on it as the case may be, and it opens up. Yeah, it opens up to our awesome digital vote genius app. And as you can see, it has a folder here that has all the app that has been created, all the work that we created inside our AI 360 Studio app. And as I said, our AI 360 Studio interacts with each other. All our apps inside there, they speak with each other, from our logo genius to our photo genius, from the photo genius to every other app, the video genius, the voice over genius, everything interacts with each other in the sense that if you create any app in a photo genius, it actually synchronizes and stores inside our digital vote genius app. And also, we should take note that our digital Vote Genius app have over 60 terabyte, 5 terabyte storage device embedded inside, compared to your Google that gives you only 15 gigabytes. You can imagine for you to get 1 terabyte, you have to have up to 1,000 gigabytes. And let's even see our Gmail, which I know the Gmail actually gives us only 15 gigabytes for our storage, which is not too good for us to use, especially when we are doing a lot of work. You can see my Gmail here is already full with all the videos and all the files I have. So they're asking me to upgrade and pay about 1,900 to the dream promo of 470 for 3 months. And they're only giving me even 100 gig compared to what we have in our digital Vote Genius app of our AI 360 Studio that is giving us 5 terabytes of storage information we can play around with. So first of all, if you want to do any other thing, let's assume outside all these are created automatically when you are doing your work from an app, you just come to new, I want to create a new folder and store my information and work with it. Let's assume my office information. I click on new folder. I just come here and type in a name. I click whatever is written here on title folder. And maybe I say office um, files. Just say office files. And I just come and click on create. Automatically, you can see it's creating it. It will definitely create it here inside my AI 360. You can see it's here already. And I want to store information inside. Let's assume I have some files I want to put inside, maybe Word documents, PDF, video, whatever it is. I just come to my office, I open it up, I click to open it up, I click on it, and I come here and I still come to my new again. I want to copy a file from my system into it. Click on new. I click on upload files. That's another feature you look at. We just created new. I just click on upload file and I come and search for that particular file I need to. whatever file they are. I can decide to copy, or let's assume this particular file, I click on open, and automatically it drags it into the office file of your 360 and stores it there. I want to add another file. I still come to new. I come to new, upload file. I'm trying to upload another file. Let's assume I'm looking for a PDF file I want to store. I have a PDF file I want to store. I come, let's look at this one here. I click on open, and automatically as well, it stores it there. So you find out that you can store any kind of file that you want inside our digital vote journal, no matter the file, the kind of file you have on hand. Because the feature, one of the feature of our digital vote genius is that major feature is that it can store files such as your documents, your photos, your videos, your audios, your PDF, your zip files, your app data, just name it. Any file at all you can store inside our digital vault genius app, and they are all safe, and you can organize them as the case may be. Even inside your office folder, you can also come and create a new folder inside of it to make it more organized at the same time. If I come here, I click on new, let's even try that and see. And I just come and say admin file. I say admin file. I'm trying to organize my file inside my office file. I click on create, and automatically you will see the folder has been created. It's as simple as that. You should differentiate the folders from the file. Inside this office file, I already have this. Now, inside my office file, I can decide to click on one of the, let's look at the feature that it has. This one has download. If I click on it and download, it automatically is going to download it. Let's even click on it and see the beauty of what we are talking about. Let's assume I want to use my file somewhere or thereabouts. I just come there and click, and you can see it has downloaded it into my download space of my document. You can see the file here. I might not need to open it. And if I come here again, I say rename. I can rename this webinar presentation to whatever doc I want to. I decided to give it magnify. I just decide to give it that name, and I click on save. Automatically, the names change without even you blinking. Now I can come to these three dots again and say, make a copy of this magnify. Let's see what happens to the magic this app is doing here. You can see it has created a copy of this magnify app, and you can see it here. So we already have it here and also here. I can come here and say, okay, I want to share this particular folder. I come and click on this particular file. I come and click on share. All these features are applicable to everything. You can see copy, share URL. It copies URL. I can go and share it even your social media platform or anywhere. We're going to show you that later in this class. I click on share. If I come to my browser, let's assume, and I paste it there, it will open up. Anywhere you paste it in is a URL, your social media platform, or anywhere you click it, it interacts anywhere in the world. It will definitely download it, and you can read it here. You can see it here. Now, let's come to still this thing, and let's come and do another document, which is our PDF. I click on share. If I want to share that particular one on our browser, let's assume that is the one, and I click on enter. Let's see how it does that. You can see it downloads it, and automatically you can go and use it and work with it. But that's by the way. I come here again and I click on delete. Let's even delete this particular copy that he made here. I click on delete. Let's see if it's going to disappear. It gives me an option, and I said yes. Am I sure I don't need it again? I want it to appear. You can see the file as magnified file has disappeared. And I can also come here. I still have one more feature embedded inside that we're going to look at. We've seen the delete, and the other feature we're going to look at. Let's click this particular one, and it says move, which is the other feature we have to look at. So you can move it to anywhere you wish to move it to. I come here, I say move. I want to move it. It gives me an option. Where do I want to move this particular file to? That's the option it's giving me. I can come here to check whichever location I want. I can open my votes. It gives me the drop down of all the folders that have been created, and I can decide to move that particular file anywhere. If I say marketing proposal, I want to move it to the marketing proposal. I highlight it and I come and look for it and I say move. Automatically, it moves the file to that marketing and this thing folder. I can see it disappeared, but it moved itself to that marketing and folder. I could have moved it also to admin folder to also check it. But let's go and see on that particular folder if it's still there. So I click on it and I come scroll down. I look for the marketing folder. I can also come here and click it to check it. So we have options to check. I come and click on the marketing folder. This, sorry, I think I clicked something else. I click generate whatever. So on marketing, I click on it. So marketing proposal, and we go and look for that folder. So if you can remember the name of the folder, magnify, it is here. As simple as that. It's not magic, it is what is real. So we find out that our Digital Vault Genius is an awesome app that stores any kind of information that you need to store. Now let's go to our Digital Vault Genius, the folder itself. I click on this, so there are two ways to access it. And when I do that, let's see one of our movie, this AI movie. I want to show us how to share our videos as well inside our Digital Vault. And let's assume you created a video, probably you're using your Video Genius, and now you have a video from here you want to share to your social media audience. I come and look at these three dots, it's awesome. I click on share, and automatically it copies the URL. And I come to my browser. Let's assume for my browser, I want to look at how that video is. I just paste the link there and I click on enter. I want to see the video first before we go and share. Now, this is the video, a very simple and awesome video. So you can see it. This is the video that was also created in one of our Video Genius app. So let's assume that was the video. I come to my Facebook page. I actually want to see how I'm going to share this particular video so that people will see it. I come to what's on your mind. I say I created an awesome video using AI 360 Studio. Here is the link. Assuming this is just an assumption, and I paste the link there. I can go and shorten it anywhere I want with the link, and automatically, if I do that, I've pasted the link. I can come now and then click on next. Let me see what will happen at the end of the day, and I post my video. You'll see that automatically it will post it for whoever is interested to go and watch. And whoever comes here to click my link will definitely, at the end of the day, still see the video the way I've asked you to go and watch it. You can see the video is there. As simple as that. You can share it to your WhatsApp platform, your Facebook, your YouTube, all of your social media platform using that link. And the way of also monetizing it. So that is that about our sharing part for our Digital Vault Genius app. It's an awesome app. Store all your information inside, your office work, your private work, your personal work. It helps you to organize them in a more matured and professional way. So thank you so much for being a part of us. So we'll see you next time in our next practical section, where we'll be demonstrating yet another awesome app. So our Digital Vault Genius app is one great app inside our AI 360 Studio. So see you same time next week. Thank you so much.